Hello everyone, welcome back. Now this is weekend. We have to check Nifty movement and Bank Nifty. So previous week I already mentioned this one as a 25, 250 and 255 range as a resistance. Then you can see this support. This one is coming around. The previous one is 25,000. So we could see we already witnessed a bounce back. Then last video I already mentioned that 25,060,70 range below we will have a downside fall. So actually the Friday made a low of 24,918, but I mentioned as next target around 24,945 range. So we got that target. That means more than 100 point. Then the below I mentioned already, this is around 890, that means 24,890 as a support. Now we have to check this next movement, that is here. This is around same 24,950 60 range as a support. Below this one we will have around 24,900. Then most probably you can see this rise and fall, and here it touch here and bounce. So next time if this one, if any fell up to here, that means around 24,840 range, we will have a slightly a bounce back here. That could be reach here around 24 and 900 to this one around 24 950 range. So if any bounce back here, this can move towards here. So this will be a crucial point for Nifty 24 840 45 range. So and in the upside, if any bounce back here, any unexpected bounce back, and you can see the earnings also not good in some of the banks. Also HDFC showing some confused result, and even this Reliance also. So in Monday we have to check the movement of this both the giants. If both of these have a negative movement, so we could expect a downside movement. That means we will mostly witness a downside movement. If any upside from here, then we can mostly see here 24 25 up to here 25 100 to, then this will come to a strong resistance. That means 25 216 range. So now we can let go to check 4 hour chart. So this one is a 4 hour chart of Nifty, and you could see here this is the resistance. This was the resistance of 25,600 range, 660 range. So after that we witness a fall here, and you can see the previous. I already mentioned the if we didn't hold this previous breakout here. That means this was the consolidation breakout of previous time. If we didn't hold 25 300 to 250 range, then we will witness a downside. And even you can see this was the rising channel of this Nifty, and here it's come here, and it's so the clearly it shows, and you can see the current pattern here also, here this way. So this might go to this way. That means a head and shoulder pattern. And sorry, and you can see now the currently this line is acting as a support. So most probably we will have a support here. That means 24 840 45 range. So I'm expecting downside movement towards this way. If this one not hold, that means 24 840 range not hold, then we may witness around 24 640, and yeah, around 24 640 to 660 range. So most probably we will have a downside movement. If this one also not hold, that means 630 range also not hold, then we have to see a downside fall again towards 24310. And if you draw a Fibo line on this recent fall towards this our recent high, that means this low is 22,000 range. Then we have a high of 20 25,660 range. So we can see that this is coming as a, that means 24,250 range will 250 range. We have a retracement of 38.2. So this range, and we have a, you can see this cross line also here. So the previous breakout cross line, that is, if the fall is straight, then we can get this, this is the support around 24,323. Otherwise, if slow movement, then this will touch this way up to here, that means here, that means around 24,250 range. So this one, if this 24,630 break, then we will have a support here 24,250. Otherwise, we have a support here 24,840. So 24,840 will be a crucial for a closing basis. So that's from my side of NIFTY. Now, so Bank Nifty last week I already mentioned as little bearish closing, and Friday you can see the opening also the breakdown range, that is 56,600 range, and you can see after that the fall. So this was my 56 190 298 to 200 range was next support. So we already met that support. That means if anyone short, this was you can expect a target. Then below this one we have a support of 55 900 and 920 range. So if this one also not hold, we will witness a big fall from here, because of this was the current support. Then this could reach to 55 300 range. Then this may leads towards here 54 680 to 54 700 range. So if a bounce back from here, then only then this can reach mostly in 56 600 range. So that's from my side of this Bank Nifty. And Bank Nifty depend on now this HDFC Bank performance. ICICI Bank gave some little slightly positive result. So let's see in Monday. And if you check the Bank Nifty stocks, that is HDFC Bank showing a negative trend, and Axis Bank already mentioned that it was in a bearish in pattern. Then after that the next one is coming, which one, the Kotak Bank is near to support, so that's a hope of that next one. Then this IndusInd Bank also near support, but it's a little positive. So Bank Nifty movement mostly depend on HDFC Bank and ICICI Bank performance in Monday and next week. Axis Bank already gone, so it's depend on three bank now: HDFC and ICICI Bank, then the Kotak. So that's it from my side. If you like this video, you can subscribe my channel, and please ask if you have any doubt. I will revert in the comment box, and don't forget to share this video to your friends. Thank you for watching.